Heartbeats echo down the alley. Wild eyes like lasers piercing through the night. Your kiss, a storm that can't be reconciled. We crash together in electric light. On this ride, no seatbelts hold us back. The pavement shaking underneath our feet. Thrills like thunder, lightning cut through black. Our love, a force impossible to beat. We twist and shout in winds that whip and roar. A tempest love that leaves us wanting more. Tangled up in chaos, yet we're free. A whirlwind passion that can't help but be. In shadows deep we find our fiercest dreams. Roaring flames ignite the cooling dark. Words like secrets whispered in extremes, catching fire with a single spark. Raging like a beast, we lose control. Tidal waves of feeling crash on shore, unleashing all the power in our soul, till we can't remember what came before. We twist and shout in winds that whip and roar. A tempest love that leaves us wanting more. Tangled up in chaos, yet we're free. A whirlwind passion that can't help